Hey there, my smarty pants. So you can see that I finished drawing all my contour lines here, and then I went back with a Sharpie and I traced everything and erased all my lines so it looks super neat. If you have a Sharpie or a nice black pen, you can do that, okay? It will definitely make it look better, but you don't have to, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some color. So I want to show you a couple of examples first. So here's one. Oh, wait, let's keep it the same direction. There we go. Here's one that I made a few years ago. And you can see that the parts that are shooting back are one color, and then the front of each shape, I put some patterns and designs on it. Okay. Also notice that the part closest to the shape is darker and it gets lighter as it gets further away. That's one of our principles of creating the illusion of space. Okay. Things that are closer to us are darker, things that are farther away are lighter. Okay, so there's one example. Here's another example. Okay, and on this one I used a letter M, and that worked pretty well. Just an idea for a shape. And then you can see I decorated the fronts of the letters. And again, the parts that are closest, not the letters, the shapes, sorry. The parts that are closest to the shapes are darkest, and then they get really light as they go further back. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with this one too. So I'm going to draw some designs on here. I think I'm going to put a nice big fat lightning bolt on this one. Okay. And let's see. Another shape there. And here, I'm going to put some flowers. Okay, maybe some twisted stems and some leaves. All right, and then on this rectangle, let's see. I'm just going to do some stripes with a triangle in the middle. All right, now I'm ready to start coloring, okay? So this is where you're going to use your colored pencils. Hopefully you have some colored pencils. And I specified colored pencils because it's going to be hard to color all these little teeny things with crayons, okay? It can be done. You'll just have to be super careful, all right? Colored pencils definitely make it easier. Okay, so I'm just keeping this as a pattern. I'm making all my flowers look the same. Okay. And I think I'll make this heart blue. So I'm just going to finish this heart as my example, and then you guys can do your own work. I'm not going to make you watch me color this whole entire thing, but I will put a picture of it finished at the end. Now, if you had some fancy pens, I've seen some of you guys have some really cool like gel pens and stuff. Those would probably work pretty well too. So if you have that, you could use that. All right, now I'm going to start with my heart here. I think I'm going to do purple. You still see that? Yes. So really dark right next to it, as dark as you can get it. Okay. Okay, and then a little bit lighter. apologize if that's really loud for you. Oops, I should have sharpened my pencil. Okay, well, we'll see if I can get it to finish. Okay, so lighter, lighter, lighter. Try to still make it look nice. I don't want to see kindergarten scribbling. Okay. Super light at the back. There we go. Make this a little darker while I've still got some lead here. All right, and I'm going to make down here even darker. Whew, just about out of lead there. Okay, so my heart is done. It's darker right close to the heart. It gets lighter all the way to the back, and here's my heart finished. Okay, so I'm going to finish these the same way, different colors, obviously. Now, if you wanted to, you can see with these two examples that I actually cut them out and glued them down to construction paper. So if you have construction paper or wrapping paper or something cool at home, you can cut them out and glue them down when you're done to make it look nicer. Okay, that's up to you. All right, so I hope you guys have fun, and I can't wait to see them when you're done. All right, bye guys.